How to manage projects in Slack. You can do this in 7 steps. 1. Start by creating a dedicated Slack channel for your project. Use a clear and descriptive name so team members can easily find it. 2. Add all relevant team members to the channel, ensuring that everyone involved in the project stays updated on discussions and progress. 3. Integrate project management tools like Trello, Asana, or ClickUp to track tasks and deadlines directly within Slack. 4. Use Slack reminders and pins to highlight important messages, deadlines, or milestones so they don't get lost in daily conversations. 5. Set up workflows or use Slack bots to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending daily project updates or task reminders. 6. Encourage team members to use threads to keep discussions organized and avoid cluttering the main channel with too many messages. 7. Regularly review the project's progress using Slack huddles or video calls, ensuring everyone stays aligned on goals and next steps.